Is this the best value docking station on the market? Let's do an unboxing and do a quick review and find out. Right, so first things first, let's just get the cellophane open. So this docking station was purchased from Amazon and through Prime, next day delivery, arrived just like this, just with the label on top, so there's no additional packaging, which is excellent. They certainly improved that. So as we open it, we come to the actual dock itself, which is, I have to say, quite substantial. And it has a padded underside, so we'll come to that in a moment. And documentation. Happy, not happy, that's nice of them to ask. Then quick instructions, and there is specifications, I think, perhaps. Yeah, specifications in many languages. Excellent. Right, so we get the power supply cable, and in the UK we have a 3-pin socket, and I think that's the same socket you get in several other countries as well. And then next we have the actual power supply, which is quite a hefty piece of equipment actually, and along with it obviously the connection for the dock, and you also get a USB-C to USB-C, which connects to the dock as well. We'll come to that in one moment. So, looking at the dock itself, on the front, or we'll start from the back. So on the back of the dock, there are 3 USB-A slots and 1 USB-C, which I think is a Thunderbolt, and then there is a USB-C, which is 85 watt, and then there is an HDMI, and then there is the power supply socket, then there is an Ethernet port as well. And on the front you have an SD card slot, which is excellent, but more and more now I think people are going to micro SD cards, so there is a micro SD card slot as well. And next to that you get a earphone jack, then you have a 10 gigabit USB-C slot, and another one below that, and below that you have a 5 gigabit USB-A slot, and then at the top is the power button. And effectively what you should do is, when you're connecting this to your laptop for charging, you use the 85 watt connection, sorry, this connection here at the back, for charging your laptop, for connecting the actual port to your laptop, and these are all obviously additional. In terms of cost, this cost me £144 from Amazon, but that was not always the case. This is, if you bought this say 2 weeks ago, it would have cost £209. Then a week later the price was reduced to £170, and now because of Black Friday they've reduced it an additional £25 or thereabouts to £145, £144. Now the way to find prices and record their history is to use an app called Caramelize, or Camel. Now you'll find that as an add-on to your Chrome browser, and if you use that, it will give you a history of the price of the product over the last 12 months, and it is well worth using. And so if you find the price that you're currently wanting to buy the product at is at an all-time high, wait a few weeks or a month or two if you don't need the product in a hurry, and then you can see the price reduced. The price will go up and down, even on Amazon. And if you compare it with other sites like, for instance, eBay, where this product is still selling for £209, obviously the wise thing to do is to find a site where it's cheaper than that. So anyway, so that's the end of this review. Very quick and short. I've not actually used this product, obviously, because I've just opened it, but we'll do another follow-up review shortly. Now please, if you can, help me out, like and subscribe, that'd be very helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.